Eyes on the wall. Eyes on the wall. What letter is this? Austin.
Austin, my...
Turuan mo siya.
Austin, eyes on the wall.
Austin, look. What letter? B says? B says? No, B says? B says?
B.
Ba. Ayan mo siya. B is for? Banana. What is this? B. What's the sounds of the B? Z. Yeah, good job. How about this one? What is this? Boat. Eh, how about this one? What number? What number? What number? Ito, number? 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 2. 2. Can you say 2? Can you count? 1, 2. Good job. What shape? Square. Hindi, no, this is not a heart. It's a square. Square. No, it's square. No, it's square. Say square. Say square. Opo, baba. Baba yung car. Okay. Tin, what shape? This is wind. Hindi, no? It's not windy. It's a window. Yes, bird is knocking on the window every morning. No? Oh, knocking. What is this? Opo, nagnanakdan yung bird every morning, no? Oh, ito, what is this? Tin, look mo. Eyes on the wall. Gift. Box. It's a box. Oh, bag. Kaninong bag to? Kay mom. Ito, box. Eh, anong color to? Tin, what color is this? Oh, yeah, that's mommy's bag. Opo. Anong color to? Opo, kay mom yun. Come here. What color? Asin, what color? Tin. Tin, look, oh. Oh, hindi alam ni Tete kung anong color. Anong color to? Color? Opo, baba. Yung car. Eto, anong color? 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 What color, Austin? Color? Tin. Eyes on the wall. 5 little speckled frog sat on the speckled log, eating some most delicious bag. Anong color to, Austin? Look. Blue. Eh, ano ito? It's crayon. Eh, ito na to. It's your favorite. Car. Ito. Bird. Good job, Austin.